Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize your XERO dashboard. Let's start with the dashboard panels. In the top right corner of your dashboard, you can see edit button here. Click it. Once you click edit button, you can see here add widget. Let's click it. So under this, you can see all the panels in your dashboard. So in my dashboard, I have two bank accounts. Also, you can see my all the panels here. So if you don't need to show any of this panel, just you can hide it. So I have two bank accounts like this in my dashboard. So first bank account here and second bank account here. So I don't need to show this business saving account, so I will hide it. Just want to click here, then you can hit done, so it will not appear in your dashboard. Also, you can drag these panels and you can reorder as your requirement. On the top, I will show my business bank account, then I need to show my invoices owed to me. Also, I will show bills to pay on the top. Likewise, I can rearrange my panels. So your most important information is always at the top. Once you are happy, you can save those changes in the top right corner. Thanks for watching.